morning. I just woke up and I'm thinking today would be a good day. It's Sunday and I'm thinking it would be a good day to do, why's my voice so raspy? It'd be a good day to just do a scrub. So I want to make a scrub from the coffee grounds. I should make a cup of coffee first. I've got lots of coffee grounds, so I'm thinking instead of just throwing this away, so usually I use this for my plants. I just put very little of it with some water and then sprinkle it on the plants, and the plants really love it. But I'm thinking, you know what, this is a lot. I can use some of this to make a scrub. So I'm gonna use this for a scrub. Even though it's like finely ground, I think it will still be an amazing scrub. So let's do that. And I also want to do lots of stuff in my business today. I was like, yesterday I was taking time to like rewrite like what my actual business goals are, because I was like, I need to figure out who my target customer is, because you know you can't sell to everyone. Why's my voice so it was like very very raspy. So because you know you can't sell to everyone, so I was like, I need to figure out who my target customer is. What are they like? What are their thoughts? What are their beliefs? So I'm gonna use about, this is half a cup. So for the small plants, I'll use half a cup of the coffee mixture, and that should help out the plants. And I think you should only do this like once every 6 months or so, because this has like, it's quite strong. Because this one is a bit bigger, I'm using two drops. To make this mixture for the body scrub, I'm gonna take one of these, actually maybe I should do two. I'm gonna take two of these coffee presses. This was from the coffee machine. Instead of throwing it out, I thought, maybe I can make a scrub from it. Yeah, so I'll put two in there. And some sugar, and it can be any sort of sugar, just like sugar that has big grains. I'll put 2 sugars, and then I'll add 2 spoons of coconut oil. So because it's solid, it's quite heaped. So this is the amount, it's solid coconut oil. So just put that in there, and then I can just melt it in the microwave. And I could just break all of this apart. I've used them in my plants, and I'm like, my plants and me, today we're just like, it's like a coffee day. Yeah, okay, so it becomes like, it looks like almost like a chocolatey mix. Okay, so I just realized because I use this day to day, I'm gonna transfer it into this little ceramic container that I use in the bathroom to like maybe make face products and stuff. So I'm gonna move all of that in here. It's all in here, it all fit. I can't believe it fit. But yeah, and it looks really nice in this bowl as well. And this makes like a really good cleanser, and it's just things that you had in the house. Okay, so I just finished doing the body scrub, and it felt so good. It felt so good. Like I feel smooth as a baby. I still have to oil my skin, but first I want to just quickly do my skincare. Okay, I'm done with the skincare, and now move over to the face.
This one for the friends, showing love to my real ones. Say it with my chest, blow it up if you know what I'm feeling. They gon' keep me honest, swimming how to spend it. Deposits, love from my dogs, and I will never pause it. Showing love to my real ones. Here are my complaints, let me talk for days. Sit with me and cry, and walk me through the pain. Take me by the hand when I'm not walking straight. Help me eat the food when there's too much on my plate. You'll hold me down, pick me up, good on when you talking down. Off the wall, point me to the love all around.
This is the second time this has happened to me this week. Ugh.
Each other's best friends, yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart